Cheers.
Cheers! It's not quite the same, but the idea that I can be in my bikini in Saudi Arabia on a beach drinking a 0% beer is actually very unique. And I bet you didn't expect that you could do this.
And it's not segregated, right? I think we can go...
Unfortunately, I have to sit with Matt.
Yeah, we have to sit together. It's a shame.
This is the life. We have not moved from this position.
Blooming scorpion fish. What even is a scorpion fish?
As someone who doesn't really like the deep sea anyway, the thought of going in there with stonefish, scorpion fish and sea urchins is not for me. We actually have a dive shop down the end, so I think lots of people, because the resort is actually really busy, lots of people, oh my god, look at that cheese pool. That's some nice pizza, and oh no, the beef bacon is good actually.
It's not quite bacon.
It's not quite, but I don't think you would really tell.